Hello everyone. Welcome back to our tech tutorials. In today's video I am going to show you how to upload HD video to WhatsApp status without losing its quality. If this is your first visit, please subscribe to this channel to get notified about our new updates. First of all, you have to open your phone gallery and locate the video or photo you want to upload to your status. Press and hold your finger over it, then tap on Share and select WhatsApp. Tap on your number to send the video to yourself first, then tap Send button. In the message preview, tap HD button and choose HD quality. Then send the video to your number. Once the video finished processing, press and hold over it and tap on Forward in the top right side. Finally, select My Status and tap Send button. Congratulations! You now successfully upload the HD video to your WhatsApp status with its original quality. We hope you enjoy this beautiful video. Please like and share it for others to benefit.